Now we will start design tab. Okay, we have completed the insert tab, and in the design tab we have different formatting options. Okay, for example, we have title office, okay, MS Office, and I write equal to rand. Okay, this is the text. I want to change the text to this. I will select it, drag down the mouse, right, and then I will select this. This is another format. These are different formats. Okay, you see, you can change the formats, and there are other formats also. These are the different formats you can choose, right? And you have different themes also. For example, this is the theme, this is theme, this is another theme. Okay, you can change the theme of the text. Okay, then colors are, you see this, if you see this is blue color. Okay, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts. This is the font. This is Arial. Okay, so you can change the fonts. Then paragraph spacing, compact, this is compact. No paragraph space is this, there is no space between the paragraphs. Okay, and this is compact, this is tight, this is open, relaxed, double. Okay, between the paragraphs. Okay, basic, simple, this is basic, simple. Okay, default, and built-in, these are built-in. These options are built-in for the spacing. And then if I have, for example, if I want to, this is a document, and this document is confidential. Okay, this document is confidential, then I will use watermark. This is confidential. Okay, if I click this, you see this confidential in the background. If I change the color, custom watermark, for example, I will write confidential. For example, this is copy. Okay, and I change the color to this. Okay, and I press OK. You see this copy in the background, copy. Okay, and if I write another rand, so text is over copy. If I change the color again so that I can see, color should be, for example, this, right? Okay, there is custom watermark, and I will use horizontal. Okay, and this time I will change the color to this color, right? And I apply and OK. Okay, close. So this is copy, right? This is a copy. If I change this to this, do not copy. Okay, do not copy, and I change this. You can or you can use this do not copy in the background. Okay, so if there is confidential document, then you can write your watermark. Okay, then there are page color. Page color is, this is the page color, whole page color. Okay, you see this, you can change colors of the pages. Okay, These are the colors of the pages. You can choose more colors and you can select, for example, this is the color, this is the color of the page. Okay, you can change the borders. We have done that. If I choose this border or this border, okay, and I click OK, this is the border for the page. And now if I go to the second page, you see, same, do not copy, right? Same format. So this was page backgrounds. Okay, background means text is written on the text or on different color, on different border. Okay, there are different borders in the background. Okay, and there are different borders, and this watermark, page color and page borders are in the background. Okay, and foreground is your text. MS Office video provides this first paragraph, right? You can write it. Then comes the page layout. I will start a new document. I will go to File and choose New, blank document. Okay, this time I will use page layout. Page layout is orientation. These are, first is margin. Margin means top, left, right and bottom. This is 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch and 1 inch. Page margins. Okay, this is normal. If I choose narrow, okay, you see cursor. For example, if I write MS Office and equal to rand, this is the text I have written, this is the text, and I change the margins to this moderate. This is moderate. You see, top distance, left distance, right distance and bottom distance, right? Then you can change it to wide. This is wide. Wide means wide, left, right, top, bottom. Then you can change it to mirror. This is mirrored. Okay, space. And then Office 2003 default, you normally set it to normal. Okay, this is the normal document. Okay, and if I change it to, for example, narrow, and I see in the print, this is the print, and you see this is the print paper. Okay, I go here and this is the top margin, this is the left margin, this is the right margin on the paper. Okay, on the hard paper. Now comes the orientation. Orientation is there is landscape. Okay, so if vertical, you write on the vertically, then this vertical is called portrait. Now this is vertical, so landscape is wide. Okay, you see this is wide. Okay, vertical paper, and if you turn that paper horizontal and you write this, you can write this, right? First of all, I should change this to normal, right, so that we have the same outlook, and we should change it to portrait. Mostly we use portrait format. And this comes the size. Size is very important. Tabloid letter format is used mostly, 8.5 inch cross 11 inch letter format, or A4 size printer paper, right? 8.27 cross 11.69. Tabloid size, you see this tabloid size. Okay, for tabloid, for the legal, if there is a legal document, this is the size. If there is some statement, you want to write some statement, then this is a statement. This is for statements. Okay, MS Office is used everywhere, in every office, legal offices, executive offices. This is the, you see, executives use this. This is executive, right? Now if I change this to A3, this is A3, okay, large size, right? A4, this is A4, and I can change it to A5, okay, I can change it to this B4. You write letter format, in the letter format, normally 8.5 cross 11. This is letter format for the letters, to write letters, right? Mostly we use letters or forms, okay, A4 size. Then if I want to see a page break, the cursor is here and I want to see the page break. Page break is I break, page break. This is page break, okay. So I have this after, because my cursor was here and the text was inserted into the second page, okay. So if I use column break, for example, if we have columns, okay, these are columns, two columns, for example, this is column, and I want to see that I press delete, okay, and now I go to page layout and I choose 2 column layout, and this is 2 column layout, this is 3 column layout, okay, 3 columns, there are 3 columns, okay. 3 columns means if I write equal to rand again, this is equal to rand, this is 3 column, 1 page and 3 columns, okay. This is on, you may have some newsletter or a newspaper, right? So this is page. Text wrapping is if you have image, you can wrap the text, okay. Next page, this is for the next page, this is next page or next page. You can choose this continuous, okay, and these are all breaks, page breaks. Even page, 2, 4, even page, you click this and this is even page. You see this 4 of 4, there were 2 pages and even page, 4th was even page break. So 2 pages have been inserted. Odd page, 3, odd page, this is 5 was odd after 4, so this was odd page. Now if I use line numbers, for example, if I have page up, I will press page up. Page up is this is page up, 1 page up, this is button on the keyboard, page up, okay. Press page up, and then I should use line numbers, right? Line numbers are, for example, continuous means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is continuous number. If I use restart each page, so restart each page means if I change the columns to 1, okay, this is 1 2 3 4 up to 31, and I should use equal to rand, okay, equal to rand. This is rand, right? And if you see next page, restart each page. So this is the next page, 1 2 3 4 again started from 1. Next page is started from 1. If I use continuous, if I use this continuous, then this is 37, 38, 39, and if I use restart each page, this is restart each page, then you can use this restart each section. So press current paragraph, line numbers options, there are different options of the line numbers, okay. Then hyphenation is, you know, for example, you have this here. If I use this hyphenation automatic, hyphenation is like you have this computer, COM, you see, UTER, computer. So this is hyphenation, this dash is automatically inserted. Okay, if I use here, if I want to see for example MS Office, MS Office, or you can use one dash, you see this dash, this dash means hyphenation, because two letters, there was space of three letters, so CON dash is three letters and MUTER is air. Okay, on the next line, this is hyphenation. Ident, what is ident? Ident is, if I have cursor here and I use increase the ident, you see this ident is increased, this is increase ident, and decrease ident is, this is decrease, you see this is decrease ident. No, this is increase ident, this is from left, this is from left. Okay, I increase from left. Okay, this is left space, and if I increase from right, then you see this from right, there is a space, and if I use this to reduce it, so there is a space on the right. Okay, and then spacing before means, if I use this and I increase before, spacing before means I am on the second paragraph and I increase this, you see, spacing before the paragraph. Okay, and spacing after the paragraph, so after the galleries dot, second paragraph, right, you see, after the paragraph, after this paragraph, this is the spacing, and before the paragraph, this I should reduce it. If I reduce it, this is a reduction, this is after the paragraph, this is a reduction. Okay, then if I have a picture after this paragraph, for example, I go to insert, I choose pictures, and there is this picture, and I use this, this is the picture, right? Now I go to page layout and I have position. Okay, position is, for example, I want to see it here or here or on the top. This is top left, top center, top right, middle, in the middle center, middle right, in the bottom. This is for the bottom. Okay, bottom of the page. This is on the top. Okay, this is on the top left, center and right. This is the position. Wrap text means square. This is the square, this is tight, this is thorough, so this is square. For example, if I use inline, then only picture is there, but other space is not used to write text. Okay, if I use square, then you see this text is here, so the space other than this picture is utilized for text. Okay, for example, if I have this picture and I want to, I go here and if I insert something in the insert, and I use shapes, and this is the shape, right? This is the shape, and I use this here, right? And now I go to page layout and bring forward. This is the shape selected, blue shape, and I bring to forward, bring to front, bring front of text. Okay, send backward, send to back. This is the picture and this is the text. If I write something equal to, okay, now I should go here and I should select this. There is a problem with the I should write a new document and I should insert picture, and page layout. I insert the picture again. This is the second picture, right? Insert, and I should write this. This is the text, okay, equal to rand. Okay, this is the text and I should select it, go to page layout, and I should insert some shape. This is the shape, this is position, send backward, bring forward, or I select this and I choose the page layout. This text should be what is the problem? This is the shape and we have page layout, send backward, send to back, send behind text. Okay, send behind text. This should work with the send backward. It is not working. Bring forward. I should use bring in front of text. This is in front of text, and only two options are working. I don't know why. This is how it works. Send to backward, and now if I use bring forward, this is bring forward. If I delete this and I use this and send backward, and I write something. Okay, send backward and bring forward is not working, but bring in front of text, it is saying bring in front of, if there are two pictures, for example if I draw, maybe there is a problem. If I draw this another picture, for example this, right, and I draw it over there. This is the second picture, and I go to page layout, and this time send backward, send to back, bring forward, send behind. The text is working, right? Send behind text. If I choose this, I use bring forward. This is bring forward is working okay. Now I use send backward. Okay, send backward. So this is send backward means send to back of this picture, and bring forward means bring forward to the forward to this text. Now we have selection pane. Selection pane is this is selection pane. You can select different things. There is oval for round oval. There is rectangle. You can select it rectangle, or you can select this oval, and you can change it. You can change this is the shape, right? You can write in this shape, right, like this. You can write this. Okay, we have done that. Then we have alignment. Alignment is alignment center. This is center. Alignment right. Alignment to the right. Alignment top. This is top. Alignment top. You can rotate it. Rotate 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. And you can rotate it to 90 degree. Okay. Any shape. You can rotate it. For example, this is the shape, and you can rotate it to 90 degree, to flip vertical, flip horizontal, or other options, right? So this was our page layout. Okay, so in the page layout, for example, if I write some letter, okay, some letter, appointment letter. Let's see appointment. What is appointment letter, right? How to write an appointment letter. Okay, so I write from, okay, from, and press tab and write HR. Press tab again. I have to press tab. So what I do is I will write, I will use this. Okay, this is okay. I should first put this here, and then I should use margins, right? So this is the margin, HR, comma, and when I press enter, this is second line, ABC, ABC company, and Islamabad dot, right? Then I should use date, 10 Jan 2020, okay, and then I should use this margin, I should use this from, and this is 2, okay, and I should use this is the alignment, and now I will write Mr. Ali Sadar, Rawalpindi, okay, right? Then subject, okay, subject should be left aligned, so I should change the margin to margin here with the 2, okay, subject, and the subject is you have been appointed. You have been appointed. Then I should use tab, and we would like to congratulate you on your selection for the position of manager IT, and your date of joining is 11/10/2020, according to the date. Okay, this is 02 Jan Feb and 2020. This is Feb. Okay, again press tab. There will be probation period of 2 months. This is period of 2 months. Your salary will be 90,000 PKR. We give bonuses if you achieve a target, if you achieve your targets. Okay, your duties include now I should use bullets. Okay, your duties include communication with the teams, project management, budget preparation for IT, network administration. Okay, contact with vendors for hardware and software, and I press again enter. Okay, my cursor is here. Okay, on the left. Now you can write you will report to executive director of the company of ABC company of ABC company. Okay, I should click on it and right click and executive. Okay, executive director. Yours truly, yours truly, yours truly, HR ABC company. Okay, so this is how we can use different layouts, or we can use for example, if we have text like this, for example, if we have equal to rand, okay, and I should use this, and there is a table of bonuses or different information you can use, okay, over here with the table. And here we have two columns, for example 2 columns or 3 columns, so this information is in the 3 columns. Okay, now we have okay, there is a problem. I should use one column first, one column, and I should go here and use 2 columns. Or if I want to increase the ident, okay, it is aligned. I can use this also, right? From the left side, this is how we, okay, this is called ruler, 1 2 3 4, this is ruler, right? And I use this, I use for example this, right? Then I have, for example, if I want to use margin here and this, then there is a space from the left. Okay, I should use this one, right? And I can do it like this, right? And this, okay, this, right? Okay, I can use the ruler, and I can use from the right this, right? Okay, this is the right? This is the use of the ruler. Now this was about the page layout. We set up the page. Setup means what should be the orientation of the page, what should be the size of the page, how many columns should be there, what are the margins. Then there is ident in the paragraphs. Okay, we can set the line numbers, we can position the pictures and text, we can bring forward, or we can manipulate the pictures. Okay, we can arrange the pictures basically. Okay, pictures and text, right? So this was the page layout. We have covered design and page layout. Okay, these 2 tabs. We will use references. We have references, mailings, review, view, and developer left. Okay, so in the references you have, for example, books. Just an overview. You have some book, you want to you have a table of contents first, you add different levels, and you have different citations, bibliography. Then you can set the you can insert a table of figures, and you can set the index at the end of the book. What are the authorities? You can insert the table of authorities, right? You can set footnotes. The pages are on the same page or at the end of the pages. Okay, so we will do that in the next lecture, right? Okay.